Okay, guys, these are the things I look out for before I place a trade whenever I am trading any of these assets. And the last thing will blow your mind. Okay, so this is very, very important so that you guys will know how to go about it. But before I go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. So the first thing which I always look out for is to identify the trend. Okay, so because I believe most of these assets are trend trading assets, so if you can't get the trend right, then you will find it difficult to trade. For instance, this was on a downtrend. I mean, it started a downtrend right from here. You can see it got to this resistance zone, was unable to break out from there, and it gave us a downtrend signal right from here and a sell signal. And check it out, it sold right from there uh, till it got to the very end of the trend. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, and of course, that is the first thing I always look out for. If I'm able to identify the trend, then definitely I will be able to trade in that direction. For instance, right from here to this very end, we would have given a lot of profit at the end of the day. This is 102 candles, and of course, all these candles are 15-minute candles. Do your calculations from your end and see how profitable this will have given us. Okay, so that is the first thing I always look out for. Okay, once you get the trend right, then you are good to go. Now check out this also. Okay, um you can see this is an uptrend signal, and of course you can see once you get the trend right, you are good. Okay, so this is 159 candles, and all these candles are 15-minute candles. Okay, because this is 15-minute time frame that I am using. So once you get the trend right, then you are good. You will make a lot of profit right from there. So for you to take advantage of the exact trend of the market, you need the next thing. So, I mean, you need to watch out for the next thing, which is going to be the support region. Okay, the support region is also very, very important. You should know that the support region is at the down part like this. It's always at the down part. The resistance region is always at the upper part. Okay, so the support region is always at the down part, and this is a major support region. I always look out for a major support region because that is where we are most likely to start a new trend. Okay, and of course, there are two things that can happen within this support region. It is either there is a breakout below it, or there is a change in direction of the trend. Okay, so in this situation, there was no breakout below it. It only gave us a change in direction of the trend, which is an uptrend, and you can see it going in that direction. Okay, then the third thing is the resistance region. Okay, so this is the resistance region. It is always at the top, so I always look out for a major resistance region. This is the major resistance region. There are two things that can also happen from there. It is either there is a breakout above it, or there is a change in direction of the trend. Now, the last thing has to do with how you place your trade. Now that we have gotten all this, let's say, okay, let me start with the one with the resistance region. Okay, this part. Okay, let's say this particular asset has gotten to this region, and we are trying to see if there will be a breakout above the resistance region, or it will change the direction of the trend. So while we are waiting for that, okay, because we need to wait for that before we can decide if we should sell or probably we should buy. Okay, so we can only buy if it breaks out above this resistance zone, but if it does not, then it's going to change the direction of the trend into a downtrend, and of course that means we are going to sell. Okay, so all we need to wait for is to know if there will be a breakout. Since there is no breakout, it gave us a trend signal at this point. You can see the red flag, and of course, it gave us a sell signal at this point. Okay, so all you just need to do is to place your trade around here. Okay, so let's say we decide to place our trade around here, and of course, like I have always been telling you, you don't just place your trade. Okay, you should also do the last thing, which I always make sure I do before I place a trade. I always make sure I set my stop loss also. Okay, like I have always been telling you, no matter how beautiful your strategy is, okay, your risk management is always important. Okay, because you don't have the full control of the market. Your strategy can only control 20% of the market. Okay, it cannot control it totally. Okay, so the market can decide to misbehave whenever it pleases it. Okay, so that is it. So that is why your stop loss is always important. So where are you to put your stop loss? We already have our resistance region already. So this is it. So let your stop loss be there while you place your order at this point. Okay, you can see for placing your order at that point would have given you enough opportunity to milk the market right from there till this very moment if you are placing a single order. Okay, if you want to place more order, you can decide to come in around here again where you add a sell order, or probably here where you add another one, and this will have given you more opportunity to trade more. Okay, you can see two orders are, are given to us right from there, and of course this will give you the opportunity to milk the market to the very end. Okay, so that is it. Now let's look at this side. Okay, when it gets to the support zone, like I said earlier, there are two things which you can look out for. It is either it breaks out below the support zone. Okay, you should check it out if it will break out below the support zone, because if it does, then it will keep on selling until it gets to the next support zone. Okay, but if it does not, it will change the direction of the trend into an uptrend. You know, it was on downtrend before, so it will change into an uptrend. You can see when it was on downtrend, you can see the red flag. Okay, now that it is going on uptrend, then it will be yellow like this. Okay, all you just need to do is to follow the buy signal, which is the blue arrow. Okay, and of course it came out at this point. Okay, like I have said, the last thing you should always do whenever you are placing your order is to set your stop loss. Your stop loss should be at the support zone at this point. Okay, so put your stop loss there and put your buy order at this point. Okay, so that will help you. Your stop loss will help you to reduce the risk which you are most likely to get right from there. Okay, so you can see they started right from there and it kept on going up and up. Okay, it gave us an opportunity to come in and this at this point again, so you can place another order at this point. Okay, and even place another one at this point. Okay, so this can give you the opportunity to enter free trading opportunity at this point. Okay, so you can see this gave us the opportunity to milk the market right from here to the very end of the trend. Isn't that amazing? So you can see how beautiful this strategy is. Okay, so all I want you guys to do is to go back to your charts and try out what I have just explained, most especially if you are having this trading tool called 3M Trend Milker Indicator. If you are not having, if you're having a good trading tool or strategy that will help you to put everything which I have explained here into practice, then kindly do so right away. Do that on your demo account and practice very well until you are able to perfect it before going to your real account. But if you don't have anything that will help you to simplify your analysis like this, you can reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply you. Okay, watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.